Hey there, do you want to automate and gamify the whole experience with your customers in your product? Do you want to assign points to customers and give rewards if they invite friends using a referral system? I'm going to show you a new leaderboard API that we just introduced. So you will be able to get in real time what are your most active customers in a really easy way so you can create any sort of experience in your website. So the first thing that I'm going to do is let's go over to app.zootools.co. So I will show you. Click on try for free. And let's go to one of the projects that we just created. If you don't have any project, you can just create one clicking over there. Now let's go to settings and click on API keys. Here, let's open the API documentation that I've just shown you. And inside here, Audience API, let's look it up for leaderboard. You will see that there is this new request called get leaderboard that we just need to copy. Okay, so let me actually copy this URL. Now, we are going to need postman.com, which is a service that allows us to test APIs without actually creating any website or any backend service. So once you have Postman, let's come over here, click on new HTTP request. The type of request is a GET because we are getting information, and we are just going to paste this endpoint right there, which is the V1 leaderboard from ZooTools. Let's click on send. You will see that we get this error called unauthorized. That's because every API request on ZooTools requires a bearer token in the header. Let me show you how to create a new token right away. A token is basically a password, but for APIs. Come over here to settings API keys and click on create API key. I'm gonna call this YouTube video demo. And I'm going to copy this over. Now, in order to authorize this, all the API requests on ZooTools requires a bearer token. So let me actually paste because this is sensitive data. Awesome. So I just paste this API token right here, right now. And now if I actually call and send this, you will see that now I retrieve the right leaderboard. Something really important to mention is that this API request allows you to pass a list ID. Basically, the list ID is all like this URL, this text that appears on the URL on ZooTools. So you just need to copy this and paste it. You will realize that if I don't pass any list ID, you will see that there is a problem because it cannot be empty. And if you pass a wrong list ID, you will also get an issue saying that we don't find that list ID. But yeah, you just paste that over, and now you will see that you have this beautiful leaderboard. You will see that we basically obfuscate every single data because we don't want to expose any email, first name, last name, referral, or any other sensitive data of your customers. So this is an API that you can consume publicly in your website with no issue because all the information will be actually obfuscated. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope this is super helpful. Now, once you have this data, you can actually create any sort of leaderboard on your website. And yeah, hope you like this and see you in the next video. Ciao.